Today I want to show you how to add motion blur in Premiere Pro. Move your timeline slider to where you want to begin the motion blur effect. Go over to your project panel and right-click, select New Item, Adjustment Layer. Then drag it above your clip on the timeline. Go over to Effects and find Transform, drag it onto your adjustment layer. Under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon beside Scale under Transform. Then uncheck the Used Composition Shutter Angle and change the value to 360. Now move the timeline slider ahead about 20 frames and change the value of Scale to 300. To smooth out our zoom effect, highlight both keyframes and select Ease In. Now expand Scale and then click and drag this blue circle down so that it forms an arc. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.